at night are fighting for the world again. It's the eternal battle. They'll never come to an agreement. Sleep is for the weak. That's what Mary thinks. This night owl's day starts when the sun goes down. That means it's time to hit the dance floor. Rest assured, Mary will dance until the morning. And only with the first rays of the sun will her head finally touch the pillow. Turn the light off. Mary's ready to dream. And the early bird has a completely different schedule. She starts her day very early, as soon as the sun's up. And she needs to let more sunlight in the room. While her friend is asleep, Holly's in the middle of morning exercises. A workout gets her energized for the day ahead. She has so many plans for today. It's time to dress up and go conquer the world! Mary, of course, will also force herself to get out of bed, but her morning isn't so cheerful. She's not going to exercise. She doesn't even want to wash up. But the signs of fatigue can always be hidden under the moon patches, and the sun is so blinding. Good thing she always has sunglasses on hand. That's much more comfortable. Maybe breakfast will cheer you up a little? Fast food with soda. What else can you expect from a fan of nightlife? A black burger, some black soda. Dark colors are in the trend of the night owl. In fact, this is Mary's usual diet. She's always so sleepy that she just can't bother cooking on the stove. But Polly has no problems with her diet. The girl sparkles with happiness, as if she'd met a live unicorn. Morning is her favorite time of day. Her good mood is always off the charts. Therefore, she's only having healthy food for breakfast. Bright, crispy cereal with a healthy portion of milk. How delicious! And Mary can chew her weird, questionable burger. Whose transportation is this? Holly's, obviously. The early bird prefers to ride a bike. Woohoo! You can enjoy the bright sun and get a little extra exercise in. Woohoo! What a great ride to college! It's so beautiful out. The birds are singing. The butterflies are fluttering. Oh, a cab. I wonder, who's in the passenger seat? Oh, hey, Mary. The night owl would just fall asleep riding a bike, so she chooses to take a taxi. Hey, do you need a ride? No, I prefer to pedal. Well, no is no. And in the car, by the way, she can close the windows and hide from the sunlight. Here it is, her comfort zone. College classes are in full swing. And Polly, of course, is always ready to answer the most difficult question. Her daily regimen is planned down to the seconds, which means she has plenty of time to do homework. Mary has finally made it to class. Oh, where did Polly get so much energy? She doesn't have the patience to listen to the teacher. She's very sleepy. Where else can she get rest from night dancing if not in class? But Mr. Tyler will not tolerate that. Mary, wake up! The conversation with the teacher was short. Get out of the classroom. You better take Polly as an example. But Mary didn't get upset. She is thrilled to sleep instead of go to class. Go outside only with dark glasses on. The sun is so annoying. She would stay home all day, but at least once in a while, she has to walk her beloved Smokey. The dog is very happy to finally get out on the street. But Mary isn't excited. Playing with her pet is always fun, but it would be better to do it in the dark. Maybe they should reschedule the walks with Smokey to midnight? Then Mary would have more enthusiasm. Polly's got a little more energy. She has enough power to do all her planned work and more. Mickey is so looking forward to her coming home. Well, how could she not play with that cute angel? Looks like this duo is about to show off some real circus tricks. He's so cute! How can you not love him? Uh-oh! The friends are fighting over light again. Mary prefers a nice twilight. But Polly likes it when the house is illuminated. They can go on like this forever and ever. But today, Mary decided to use a forbidden method. Hey, that's not fair! Poor thing! This time, the night won. Did Mary decide to introduce Polly to the nightlife? That's right, the friends came to a party. Mary is having a good time, but Polly seems to be about to fall asleep right there. She is not used to staying awake this late. It's an impossible test for the early bird. Girl, cheer up and have some strong coffee.
Wow.
It worked! As if she replaced her battery. A rare occasion when day and night have found a compromise. There are so many people at this party. But you find your prince even in the dark. One touch, and her heart is going crazy. He's so cute! It seems that both girls are into the same guy. Yikes! As if they didn't have enough issues with each other. But the heart wants what it wants. For now, no love battles are planned. It seems that handsome Jack has showed sympathy for Polly. He even volunteered to walk her home. You had a great time, didn't you? But I feel so sleepy. It's time to say goodbye. What a cute couple. That's it. Jack isn't wasting his time. As soon as Polly leaves, he knocks on Mary's door. That's so mean. For daytime walks, he goes to Polly. And for night parties, to Mary. Phew, he's a real playboy. The only time when friends don't fight is at sunset. This is their common time. But the sun is already very low, which means it's time for someone to go to bed, and for Mary, the fun has just begun. What kind of person are you? An early bird or a night owl? Let us know in the comments. Did you like this video? Then feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell so you don't miss new sketches about different types of people on Troom Select.